sexual.
Sexual baby.
That's illegal.
What is illegal, my friend?
It's a sexual baby. The hell is wrong with it?
I love baby.
Too much.
Do you know Helen alive? You know Spicy Boy!
Where is he?
He's behind quad. Is he? Oh my!
Fuck my air, lol, why I not defuse?
Hello, hello, hello.
Pablo Escobar is having a fucking seizure in my match.
You little loving cat lover.
You what, mate?
I don't know my
Oh, I was gonna go knife him!
Sorry,
It's all good.
Oh, one is
Don't touch him! He's mine! Yeah, man. Oh, well then.
I was correct!
Why is that vote still on my screen?
That actually
I say we push A like real quick.
Go big, guys. Go fast.
What?
Yeah, clear. В смысле нет, блядь, иди на Б.
What the fuck?
I understand what that means, I only know what eating is.
Не, ты реально уебать, иди на Б.
You're scaring him! What the fuck? I saw bullets come across my screen. It's clear, boss.
Guys, I need to... What the fuck was this?
Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb?
Yeah.
Is it B or A?
Minus 50, yeah.
Minus everything. It's B. Ah! I didn't hit him there. Hello guys, thanks for watching the video. It's brilliant. The reason why I decided to make another one of these is because on my other video, which if I can just check it right now, it's actually done pretty well. Like, I'm not someone to get a lot of views. Of course not, I've only uploaded 5 videos. But I've had 30 views, and that was from a video which I'm looking at currently, which was 5 days ago. And out of those 30 views, the people which actually rated the video, 6 of them, they liked it. And no dislikes. I'm genuinely proud to say that I made that video. It makes me genuinely happy that people like some of the content which I put out. I'm gonna put out more content like this. If you like it, leave a like. If you dislike it, leave a dislike. Comment underneath what you'd like to see. I could also do commentaries talking about stories, whatever, just whatever you want. In the description will be the link to the channel if you want to subscribe, and also a link to my Twitter, cheeky little plug-in. Feel free to tweet at me, feel free to follow me, feel free to do whatever, really. I look forward to making more videos in the future. This one's been an absolute blast to edit. Alright, talk to you guys later.